Are you tired of daydreaming about financial freedom? Maybe you're very eager to start. The thing is, you don't know where to start. Let's turn those dreams into reality because today, I'll tell you 8 different ideas that will allow you to earn $10,000 every month. You might be thinking, is this something related to working traditional jobs like what the elderly says? No. Big no. This isn't your average money-making video. I've invested years of trial and error to distill the most effective strategies. Plus, these 8 business ideas is the most in demand this year. So if you don't want to miss out on these opportunities, make sure to watch until the end. Idea 1. Do you wish to become someone famous but you're too shy showing your face to the camera? Picture this. You, behind the scenes, earning thousands each month. So what's the deal with this idea? Well, it's simple. You pick a niche, drum up content ideas, and let the magic happen. It's a bit of a hustle, sure, but once you're monetized, those ad views start stacking up like nobody's business. Take Brainy Do for instance. They're likely rolling in cash from stock footage and a smooth voiceover. And get this, those videos, they can pull in views for years, bringing in passive income long after you hit upload. Now you might be thinking, but I'm no camera pro. That's the beauty of it. With a bit of creativity and some online tools, you can turn any skill into a goldmine. From affiliate marketing to selling your own courses, the possibilities are endless. So whether you're a teen looking to cash in or just someone seeking financial freedom, consider diving into the world of faceless YouTube channels. Idea 2. Just what if your natural skill is persuading people? Imagine turning that into something profitable without selling your soul. Take, for example, the story of a young entrepreneur who stumbled upon affiliate marketing as a teenager. He found success by promoting online courses. Here's how it works. You sign up as an affiliate for a course, and for every sale you refer, you earn a commission. Now imagine using platforms like YouTube to promote these affiliate products. That's precisely what our entrepreneur did. He directed traffic and earned money by strategically placing affiliate links in their YouTube video descriptions. But here's the kicker. Promoting high-ticket digital products like courses can yield substantial payouts. Just think, if you earn 50% commission on a $1,000 course, selling just once daily for a month could net you $15,000 monthly. That's the power of affiliate marketing. Idea 3. Now, what if your passion is creativity, perhaps skilled in creating engaging content? Picture this. Trying the digital market of Instagram theme pages. These pages are quite similar to faceless YouTube channels and thrive on bite-sized imagery, be it fashion, fitness, or food. The potential for niche exploration is vast, from business to lifestyle and beyond. But have you ever wondered how those IG content creators monetize these? It's through selling shoutouts and promoting others' accounts. Each individual starting as teens now earn full-time incomes. Impressive, right? But here's the kicker. I believe in YouTube channels' longevity over Instagram's nature. Yet many earned a lot of money on Instagram pages for promotion. Idea 4. Are you naturally good at writing? Ever thought about turning that skill into cash from the comfort of your own home? Meet Sarah, a teenager going to school, possibly like you, who's looking for some gigs. She signs up on platforms like Upwork, offering her skills for writing engaging content. Before she knew it, she was writing for blogs, helping YouTubers script their videos, and earning money all by using her writing skills. Now let's dig deeper. In today's digital age, tools like ChatGPT can significantly make the task easier. They not only speed up your writing, but also enhance your output, letting you take on more gigs and boost your earnings. With such technology, becoming a successful freelance writer is more accessible than ever. And that's how you leverage your writing skills to carve out profitable niche in the freelance world. But what if you don't want to be bossed around? Idea 5. Imagine using that writing skill and creating your own company. Let's delve into a tale of someone who did just that. Meet Sarah. Just a few years ago, she was writing scripts for other people, unaware of why her clients willingly pay her that much for some scripts. Fast forward to today, she's a thriving blogger, earning a steady income from her passion for writing. Now let's talk strategy. Blogging isn't just about pouring your thoughts onto a web page. It's a strategic game. Sure, it takes time to build, but the payoff is worth it. Picture this, your own corner of the internet adorned with ads or affiliate links, bringing in passive income while you sleep. Choosing a niche is key. Whether it's travel, fashion, or personal finance, find what sets your soul on fire and dive deep. Need inspiration? Tools like Uber Suggest or Answer the Public can be your guiding light, illuminating the path to captivating content. Hosting your site is a breeze with platforms like WPX.net, coupled with the flexibility of WordPress. With dedication and a sprinkle of creativity, your blog could be the next big thing. And there you have it, the blueprint to turning your writing prowess into a profitable venture. Idea 6. Now, what if your skills is creativity in graphic designing? Take Jane, for example. She started playing around with Paint.net and Canva, whipping up stunning designs. Soon, she was selling logos, Instagram posts, you name it, on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. At first, She offered dirt cheap rates to build her portfolio, but as her reputation grew, so did her prices. Want to follow in Jane's footsteps? Use tools like Paint.net or Canva, showcase your skills on Fiverr or Upwork, and watch your bank account flourish. Idea 7. You have some experience with video editing when you were schooling, but do you know using that skills allow you to earn as much as the average salary of someone who has a bachelor's? Let me tell you a story that might inspire you. Meet Dominic, once a high school, mastered software like PowerDirector or Adobe Premiere Pro. Fast forward, he's not just editing videos for fun, but for cold, hard cash. Imagine earning $100 for a 10-minute edit every single day. That's $3,000 a month. And here's the kicker. The more videos you edit, the easier it gets. With a solid portfolio, you'll have clients lining up to hire you. That's the power of leveraging your editing skills. Idea 8. Are you an expert at finding the best deals online? Be it Amazon, Shopify, you name it. Do you know that you can also establish your own company without ever holding inventory? Let me tell you about dropshipping. Picture this. Someone sets up a shop on Amazon or eBay, listing products for sale. When a purchase is made, the product is shipped directly from a supplier like Alibaba. It's a hands-off approach to e-commerce, ideal for those looking to start a business without the hassle of inventory management. However, the downside is thinner profit margin due to fulfillment costs. The thing is, you didn't spend a single cent and now you're earning. Most of these websites require a desktop to earn money. If you want to learn how to earn money using your phone, you might want to check out some of our videos. I'll see you around!